go. First one on the boat. Me and my dad are out here this morning. We brought the bass boat out. We're gonna be doing some fishing. He's gonna be mainly focusing on muskie, and I'm gonna be doing some smallmouth. But I think what time is it? 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock first fish on the boat. It's a small one, but hopefully plenty more to come. Stay tuned. Alright, we got a little better one on. That's number 2. On the same thing, Gary Yamamoto flopping hog. I think it was black with blue speckle. Gotta love the color on it too. Look at that. Not a bad one at all. That's 2 in the boat. How many muskie we got?
None.
All right. Hopefully that'll change. Not a bad little one. Switch up from the flapping hogs because we ran out, but I think that's a rage tail craw. Coffee scent. I think we've had those for 4 years. I'm surprised.
Right here, look.
Yep. Still after it? Is it still after it? Alright, get it back up.
funny thing was I got stuck in the weeds. He came behind me. There, he swiped at it. Oh, muskie. Oh, shit. Bring him up, bring him up, bring him up. Muskie! Muskie, muskie, muskie.
Honestly, was about to tell you to switch it up. Whew. Oh, that's a big boy too. I got it. That was my dad's first muskie of the year, and actually his first one in the river, so huge shout out to him. And here's the lure it was caught on. That right there is a Moochie Musky Lure. It's the lures my dad makes, so if you want to give a little description on it, what it is.
It's a glider bait, 6 inches, suspending. You can stop, pull, pause. It will just sit there in the water. Pretty deadly today.
Yeah, as you can see, so I'll put a link in the description for his website, all the lures he makes. So if you're interested, go check them out. As you can see, they catch muskies, so if I were you, I'd go buy some.